Om Gururam Namaste. Good morning all of you. My dear third class students, today discuss about measurements from your workbook, page number 4. Everybody open your workbook, volume 2, page number 4. Ishwantrao video on. See here, this is your workbook, volume 2. Volume 2 workbook, page number 4, measurement. Name the following measures. So first one is 2 hands span. So it is called as 2 hands span. Second one is second figure beta, only span. It is called span. Next third figure, this is called as arm span. Arm span. See once again. First figure is known as 2 hands span. Second one is span. Third one is called as arm span. Now see, choose the correct answer. What will be the approximate length of a pencil? So, if you take 2 hands span beta. Now write down everybody. 2 hands span. So, A is correct. Now second one, the height of this boy is A 2 hands span, B 5 hands span, C 20 hands span, D 50 hands span. So here hand spans given. Once count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hands span. B is correct beta. Now next, how many pencils wide is this table? How many pencils? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pencils. B is correct beta. Now next one, fourth one. How many jump clips long is this pencil? So once count jump clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So D is correct. So first one is A, second one is B, third one is B, fourth one is D. Now, fill in the blanks. Page number 5. The length of this carpet is dash feet. See here how many feet? Once count. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write 4 feet. Next, the length of this rope is dash arm span. See here, each candidate has 2 arm span. So you can count the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 arm span. Once again, see here, each person has 2 arm span. Then you can count 2 plus 2 plus 2. You can get 6 arm spans. Now next, second row, first one. The length of this cloth is dash cubits. How many cubits? 1, 2, 3, 4 cubits. Next, your maths workbook is approximately dash and spans long. So I think this is 1 hand span. Now next, your classroom is approximately dash foot span long. So once calculate. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 feet. Write down everybody, 12 feet. Next, the unit used to measure the length of the trouser is centimeters. Next, The unit used to measure the length of a wall is meters. Next, the unit used to measure the distance between two towns is kilometer. Write down everybody. Anvit Rao, video on. Huh? The length of this carpet is 4 feet. The length of this rope is 6 arm span. The length of this cloth is 4 cubits. Your mass workbook is approximately 1 hand span length. Next, your classroom is approximately 12 feet spans length. The unit used to measure the length of the trouser is centimeters. Next, the unit used to measure the length of a wall is meters. The unit used to measure the distance between two towns is kilometers. Now next one. Estimate the length of these objects using non-standard units of measurement and then verify their actual measurement with a centimeter scale. Note down the both measurements in the given boxes. See here first. So spoon. Now beta, this is span. So how many centimeters are there? See here, measure. You can start at 0. So 8 centimeters beta. 0 to 8. Now next one is, so this is also you can measure with the help of span. So write down span. See here pencil, how many centimeters are there? Measure starting from 0. So here approximately 8 centimeters beta. Next, key. This is also using non-standard units, that is span. See here, measure by using ruler or scale. See beta, 7 centimeters. Now next, bag. I think this is using arm span. See, think how many centimeters? So nearly 35 centimeters. Next, this is also using arm span. So how many centimeters beta? So this is 60 centimeters long. Next, this is using span, water bottle. So how many centimeters? I think this is 30 centimeter long. Anvit Rao, please video on. Start your video. Lasya. Lasya, video on jai. Now next, measure each object using blocks. See, measure the pencil. How many blocks are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 blocks. Write down. Next, screwdriver. How many blocks? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 blocks. Beta. Next, this is only ball, only 2 blocks. Next, pen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks. Next, scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 blocks. See, you can count the blocks, beta. Lasya. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. First one 17 blocks. Second one 13 blocks. Third one 2 blocks. Next one 10 blocks. Last one 14 blocks. See Nana, next page number 8. List the object according to their weights in ascending and descending order. See here, I am writing on the blackboard. Everybody write down. Page number 8. See, this is page number 8. Write down everybody. See here, ascending order. So first one is lightweight. The given objects, which is the lightweight? Here, feather. So numbered, write down 7. Next lightweight is biscuit. This is biscuit, number is 3. Next lightweight is chocolate. So chocolate number is 6. Only you can see the objects, not numbered. So feather is lightweight. Next biscuit. Next chocolate. Next guava. Guava number, that is 5. Next watermelon. So this number is 4. Next, car. Last one is elephant. This is numbered 2. See here, ascending order, lightweights. So feather, biscuit, chocolate, guava, watermelon, car, elephant. Now descending order. Descending order, first one is elephant. Next, car. Numbered, car number, what beta? So 1. Next, watermelon. This is watermelon number 4. Next, guava. This number is 5. Next, chocolate. This is 6th number. Chocolate after biscuit. This number 3. Next, feather. Now next, write down everybody. Next, pick the heavier object in each box. See here, car. Pick it. Next, dog. Sofa. Royce. Aeroplane. Now next, calculate unknown weight to balance each scale. Now next, calculate the unknown weights to balance each scale. See here, listen carefully. So, this is the balance scale. This side 200 grams, this side 300 grams better. This is also weighing scale now. So you can write it here. See, equal the balance. So you need here 100 gram. Then we can write 100 gram. So next one is, write down everybody 100 gram. Next one is balance scale. This side 4 kg plus 1 kg, 5 kg. This side there is no, you can write 5 kg. So now next second row, first one. This side mouse and hen 2 kg. This is maida 5 kg. How many kgs you need? See here. 5 minus 2, you can get 3 kg. Write down everybody. You can balance with equal 3 kg. You need 3 kg, then this is the equal balance. Now next, this is 500 gram, this side 700 gram. So you need, this is 200 gram. Write down. Next, what is the weight of each pomegranate if all are of equal weight? How many pomegranates are there here? Here, how many pomegranates are there? Once count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See here, watermelon 2 kg. Means here 2 kg is divided by 8. Kg is converted into grams. 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. 2 into 1000 grams. So you can get 2000 grams. Since 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. Then divided. 2000 grams divided by 8 pomegranates. See here. So I have to take from left to right side 2 digits. 8 to the 16. Then 10 minus 6 you can get 4. 1 minus 1 0. Bring down 0. So 8 5 is 40. 40 minus 40 0. Then again bring down 0 to the remainder. 8 0 is 0. So the weight of each pomegranate, write down. Weight of each pomegranate. That is equals to 250 grams. Now next one is, what is the weight of papaya? Next one, what is the weight of papaya? Listen carefully, beta. See here, number of apples. In this case, number of apples is equals to 5. Weight of each apple. Weight of each apple, that is equals to 20 grams. Now next, weight of 5 apples. that is equals to 20 grams into 5. You can get 500, 5 2s are 10, 100 grams. Therefore, the weight of papaya, so that is equals to 100 grams, because the weight of 5 apples is equals to the weight of papaya. Then you can write weight of papaya is equals to 100 grams. Now next one is, what is the weight of each pumpkin if all the pumpkins are of same weight? See here. Weight of rice first. Weight of the rice, that is equals to 3 kg. So kg is converted to grams, multiplied by 1000. 3 into 1000, you can get 3000 grams. Next, here number of pumpkins. Number of pumpkins, that is equals to 3. So you can find the weight of each pumpkin. Weight of each pumpkin, that is equals to 3000 divided by 3. See, 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Bring down 0 to the remainder. 3 zeros are 0. See here, 0 minus 0, 0. Now next bring down 0 to the remainder. 3 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Now next bring down 0 to the remainder. 3 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Therefore, weight of each pumpkin, that is equals to 1000 grams is equals to 1 kilogram. Write down everybody. Now next one, what is the weight of the baby? What is the weight of the baby? See here, in weighing balance, so how many pineapples are there? 3 beta. Number of pineapples. Total weight of the pineapples, that is equals to 1500 grams plus 1600 grams plus 1200 grams. Then you can write here 1500, 1600, 1200. See 0, 0. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 3 taking, 1 carrying. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here 4300 grams. Total weight of 3 pineapples is equals to 4300 grams. It can written as 4 kg 300 grams. Therefore, weight of the baby, that is equals to 4 kg 300 grams. Write down everybody. See. Okay, thank you beta, your class is completed.